Sun salutation has so many health benefits for kids like improving flexibility, strengthening muscles, boosting mood and energy levels and more. But often I have noticed kids get bored with Sun Salutation Surya Namaskar by doing it over and over again. Don't worry, I've got some fun tips and tricks to make this classic yoga sequence exciting and enjoyable for kids. So here are my quick tips. First tip, you can use storytelling or imagination to make this sequence more engaging. For example, imagine you are in a space and you are exploring the sequence in a space theme like this.
Lift your knees up. Yes, we reach the space and we open our arms and we see lots of stars. Woo. Okay, then you're going to pull forward and we are exploring a new planet.
Or you could imagine that you're saluting the sun to start a new day. So you can bring in lots of creativity by storytelling and engage the kids in sun salutation. Tip number 2, you can also use visual aids like posters or flashcards, yoga cards to help kids remember the sequence and stay engaged. Tip number 3, you can make this yoga sequence interactive by asking kids to participate and engage with you in the sequence and repeat the all 12 poses with you and count with you. Or you can also encourage them to make their own variations on the poses. Tip number 4, you can use music or songs to create a fun and upbeat atmosphere. You could choose music that complements the flow of the sequence. So these are my quick tips to make sun salutation engaging for kids. Remember to keep the practice light-hearted and fun, and to tailor the sequence to the age and ability level of the children you are working with. With a little creativity, you can make sun salutation an enjoyable and beneficial practice for kids.